Ogumani masimfie bebre, but the need yam but one pay. But that day, we know who says I call him Kasa. Now, I'm a chance to make Kasa on Kramanian Tiobiao. I am the great lion. What do you hope? I just ask them, say, is that guy know how to talk or you don't know? And I'll speak and I'll give you facts.
Yes, okay. No man, nigga say.
Those who bath and drink with fools will not understand what I'm saying this afternoon. It is not their fault because they bath and mingle and drink and eat with fools. I'm ever prepared and I'm ready for this. Let the hungry dogs go to sleep. Else.
Na so from paying for Nibukana and a walking cobra, when you look at Neza. Who say, Utim Betnazis will be a cramine. Umwadia. Baby, a hand time, need too much smartness and one baby. I do what I say.
Oh, and the Subania. Why, bomb the patch or again, Subai. Why, you perform or in the baby. Obofour, or in perform. What are they? Call from the Jaro channel. Shall I call? Minuka say, I don't give your trust. Now, I don't know. Sorry.
Welcome back to Social Media Trend. My name is Jude Safo. Ofan chem se me ba screen so ache. Who for those one yini na quick. Rev Obofour de nsem bi aba betudwa akeka nsem bi eti asofu bi mu. Na Rev Obofour nsem a woka no ana odiniye. Na ebi mu ka se wone sofo owusu bempa. Ena bi so ka se wone sofo prophet adum Kyei-Duah. Na ne nsem na woka emu oduriye. Na se meti ensem ni mu ye akyere mu a be na nsane na o se na adwene kyere ne se ono na eka wo se na adwene kyere ne se obi oba be di na tem bia no obodi bi twato a oda na se Rev Obofour be kyere se ono na ebo ne pa so medi na tem na Ghana fo se da bi asam Rev Obofour wo kan die sinto bi wom anything Gyasi Aba out abedi na tem Sheila Obofour Aba out abedi na tem Andy Aba out abedi na tem Savior Aba out abedi na tem Manase nso Aba out abedi na tem se ensem a woka no emundo die nti na yeso use the word kramine emasofu bi mu o use sa word ne masa asofo no se wo ye kramine emma na afi no hia kramine panyin na nkasa mu let's say when you so respect ho what you respect na to nchen na ade wadwene kasa de meka fasa video ho no wo de me yenko ne kohwe ne first video bi mra ye ba ye beto video so amwa hwe ye ba na ma kire wo nyoma bi ase ama wate ase yenko mra.
Being a man, don't die as a coward. I want you to be a man, don't die as a coward. And when you be given a bullet and you have a mission to go and hunt for elephant, don't waste that bullet. And a butterfly or a sassafly. Let the pushers do their pushing. Very soon the table will turn. And let those who know how to pay what they are paying. Very, very soon. If I say soon, I mean it. The table will turn. Those who have money and they think they will waste the money, all in the name of destructions of others, for them to achieve their aim by destroying others. It is your aim to destroy, but you cannot achieve. We are the masters of the game. Let the dogs do whatever they want. They'll be at just come over here. That's what it's only a matter of time. I'm telling you who that has begged me for surviving. I'll never give my attention to that person. You probably was someone there before you survive. I see you as a doormat. Me who mobile, me maintain our survival. We are said that. We do soon no money and no how no our who no fear here. The bar in channel. Me who to sap boy.
And some way be na all can buy before I met to a video no sono. Asam Aba Rev Obofour can me and me tibwanje. Ni na say Savior one in war beef dada enye Rev Obofour bempa. And the only beef dada enye Rev Obofour bempa. Ojam only beef ayaka bi ho issue dada sama abra enye Obofour bempa. Na de tiro bia na okuno so ochia sa papa na wo de ni bepata asam no. They say adwene bi won tirim anase sei eno enti ase sasam na wo ka no me no emu ndoma me because of say eye beef no da ho emamo na adenti na wo de obi ba be fore sa beef no what must pay oju dem yenko to an nsam so nsam ne kona no me breaki na ma kire won nsem bi ase wo ho yenkom na.
He who that has the power to do the work of God be strong. The next 48 hours, the battle line will be drawn. And this time, it will be forward ever. Backwards never. Enough of this nonsense. If we will lose anything just to protect our image, we will do it. We know whatever that is going on. Ticket number. Na due wa wo hwe ofie ene ofie ahokyera nsa na wakoso de untimi so no due. Now when it's coming, it's doing Obia betimi ayebi. The what you say and any part term for him to be relevant. You forever remain irrelevant. I'm telling you. I say when it's coming, it's doing. And yati fasuya. And I have a sensitive part. When you send somebody to come and touch that place, I'll come to you as a lion. It is better for you to mingle with enemies that you know better than to mingle with face that they love and show you, claim that they love you. They laugh with you, that face, but inwardly they hate you. So I will never respect that fake false love for me to rely on it. Earlier the better. Maybe our praise me will be said that just to have something to eat. When you turn your back on me tomorrow, I see sir, you are a hungry bitch. I know what I'm talking about. To give somebody respect is most expensive. But if they don't want it, I don't need a master alone. I need a subject now. A statement has been drawn. Let them come and touch the sensitive part of me. Where you touch and you know I will never sleep, I'll come. The you that respect me still respect me. I am still the king of the night. And who jobless? No one cares. I will not waste my time to read the contractor's comment. If you know how to pay, we will learn how to pay. A word to a wise is enough. Before I'll do something, I do my cross checks. I do my consultations before I will embark any journey. Earlier the better. Being a good mafia and know where and when to surrender. It's still not too late. I'm not advising anybody. I am still Rev Obofour. The unchangeable, unstoppable. There be a because I talk the 2 CD man here nearby or the fast some man home. I talk credit 2 CD the man here nearby. Tomorrow will tell. Tonight, something serious is going to happen. We're going to have a mega watch night. And trust me, it's going to be a blessed night. God is going to touch your life and meet you at the point of your need. My love is deep. But when you take my kindness to be my weakness, tomorrow will be the judge. It is time for us to reason as a man of God. Those who don't act the way they preach, I say let them touch where you know when you touch. I'll act, and within 48 hours I'll draw a battle line and nothing can stop it. I'm sorry, those who bath and drink with fools will not understand what I'm saying this afternoon. It is not their fault, because they bath and mingle and drink and eat with fools.
Okay, sansem a wɔka bɛbu sam sɛ ensem wɔka de asɛ wɔmbɔ obi adin na adin tina Ghana for ejema ɔmo sɛ ɛyɛ Rev Obofour bɛmpa. Wo de yɛnkɔ ensem a Savior so bɛkafa ɛyɛ saa message na wɔde ba no ansa na yasa akɔto ana asɛm no so. Yɛnkɔ de Savior so kafa ho. Yɛnkɔ bra.
Dr. Isaac Obofour Bempa, Doctor raised to the power 10, 20, 20,000. He's the original innocent. Dr. Isaac Obofour Bempa is the original innocent. The original innocent is Dr. Isaac Obofour Bempa. Why? won found King Cobra and you want to do Musofu by Bia. When you invite you on the program that when I sorry I know what Tamsika. So what they call on frail program BM. Who problem is saying? Who problem is saying? Who sorry? Now the one sapien pemubo akola kitwa nyamedwuma ye kura no ye Reverend Isaac Osubempa ne nananum bi nkrofo a omo afa ne nsem omo ye aso na asofo mpanyimfo ni bi no omo nkora ne ye bi no na wo nyamedwuma no wadu King Cobra Nebukadnezar utimu odin a wo ye heartless ye kura wa betu ye nyamedwuma mu ye mpanyimfo ene wa betu ye wo ba ne ye nyame adwuma dada enye wo yonko ne yen e wo ba bia Dr. Isaac Osubempa ne nana nyamedwuma mu no na asofo mpanyimfo ni bi kura na nanom ne yen e na wo King Cobra wo Nebukadnezar wo say utim betena se wo bi eye kraman umuade on ba bia hantan ni too much smartness and won ba bia de wa kwakwhye won ba bia e de wa kwakwhye so won ba bia de wa kwakwhye afi wo ho hyehyew upe ba bi upe asa upe se wo yi wo ho firim Dr. Isaac Osubem me be ka kire mo se won do no me be ka ye dada ma twa videos bebo 1000 King Cobra ya ka kire wo se umu ade na medwuma mu mpo no wabeto yen Dr. Isaac Osubempa no wono no wo sori a wutum be di obi a watum be na se obi ye kraman osofo problem ben na wo problem ne san wo anya wo na wo ko osofo Osubempa wo dwanto ase won free yen jack anya wo na wo ko ho anya wo na wo sori ko ye so won free yen uko dwantoa so wono no mfra yen because wunim se onu ni ye panyin odi sofu bi di wanim eko ko bu kotodwe bone be na wayo bone be na wayo una wako siki peacekeeping camp ena wako hyeho hyewe e waya hye won sa asase aye hye ama kotre epeda ho atare afra kotare wo asase aye hye ama wo asase aye hye ayero pape ama efom aye hye nti kotre opeda ho afra kotare wo problem is saying what is your problem? What is your problem? Membu boss of penny baduko bidin ewa wansemu embuboni din ewa Prophet Emmanuel baduko bi embuboni din wo wansemu kura embuboni din wom embuboni din biko wumu ade ono kura no wenhiaw emmoni din osofo emmoni din King Cobra the snake tete hoda da Revelation chapter 12 verse 7 8
when is some I savior so abeka afa ho otie savior nsem na wo kana opache se omu ade asa homaso na doso nti no obia otumi de fro no ene is savior nsem a wo kana na wotie savior nu mu asem a obeka se na still na no omo obi adin yenko tie eye ono ana nu mu asem ne nsi ye ba na ye de ne nsem bi okasi pi ankasa ye interview bi so de aba bi twato ne ye de Sheila Obofour mo ne case wo so de na ba nti wo de yen komra
those people that have ideas of what I'm talking about and they make yourself with they play with wise men and wise women and the wisest. You'll quickly understand what I mean. God has not set anybody as a judge in anyone's life. You know, when I talk, when I speak, it's stay. People are pushing me for me to do what I don't want to do. Earlier the better. It's not a warning, it's not an advice. I'm telling you, I'm not a coward. When I'm ready for something, if you are smart, you gotta see it yourself. I'm ever prepared and I'm ready for this. Let the hungry dogs go to sleep. Else, you push me to say things that I don't want to say. I've never even dreamed of. And you can say all manner of things about me. Anything that you want to say about me, I don't give a damn. But when you touch the place that you know, that guy, anything that he say, anytime he say anything about that office, you come out. That means you want me to come out. But let me be honest with you. It will bring 2018, 2019, everything on board. He who that I've shown respect to before, sometimes it's hard for me to disrespect that person. But now I left with no choice. We have a family to protect. We have a mother to protect. We have life to live. We have kids. They have students as friends that they are made. And I begin to realize that somebody want to use me, my heart and reputation, just you want to disgrace it just to achieve something. We are playing between 24 and 48 hours. A surprise voices, surprise faces will be released. And the internet space is going to be something else. It was never my plan whenever you see me doing this. But I think I'm quoting it again. I'm repeating myself. I left with no choice. No mafia ambush will survive. No sort of cook evidence can bring me down. Remember, I am a voice. I respect you, man. Why all these things? Somebody have called a father before. Can't you read my body language? What is your instincts telling you right now? That they are pushing the guy to do something that he don't want to do. Anytime you're talking to me and you tackle the office of my wife, you let me do something that later we all regret. Old mafia, why don't you surrender? You know I'm not a coward. And when I start, I finished. You may have the chance to do with a lot of men of God. It may happen between you and a lot of people. You may be chanced and have your way. But this time, I'm afraid. Maybe I'm going to be a wrong target for you. Whenever I'm talking to somebody and you see me, I don't want to watch through the camera. It tells you that I still have something here for that person. But don't let it fail. I respect you so much. With the greatest of respect. Can we let the sleep dogs be in peace? You know me. Nothing quenches the fire. Oh God of Israel, a lot of mercy. I don't fight. Somebody called me the other time and said, Reverend, why are you fighting? I said, I'm not fighting. You know, I have a family and a ministry and a kids to raise and a church to protect. I am a commander. Sometimes it's hard, it's difficult for you to keep quiet on some issues. Once you know where the fire and the smoke is coming from. Somebody that you have no evil intention against wanted to use the social media just to bring you down, just to say things that future it will be there forever, that he cannot do anything about it, that he's happy that you'll be disgraced and he'll be praised. But it will be hard for me to, you know, let people understand what I mean, but it's only a matter of time. But it's getting too late. I can't remember, there was a time somebody said something about a certain pastor in this country. I was in my house and a call came to me that I should call that person to shut up. Because that person has once upon a time praised me before. So I supposed to call the person and call him to order. Say, yo, don't talk against this man of God. And I did so. How can somebody disgrace me? And at the same time, the person on the platform disgracing me, using the medium to disgrace me, at the same time the person is praising somebody. And it's not one, it's not two, it's more than 10. And those who claim that they hate me for no reason, I've not done anything, I don't own them. Claim that, Rev Obofour, you are young, you don't have to talk, be quiet, this is below bed, this is this and that, you are a gentleman, you have started life, not today that we started. You know, we are old players. We have been in this industry for more than 23 years. I can show you pictures, video evidence that I think we need a little respect. If you want to force us to go on retire, at least can we go in peace in the next 80 years? You know, the painful part is that if you love somebody and you respect the person you see a father figure, you see as a father figure, you see father spirit in him, and later on it becomes something like that, you know. Sometimes it's painful. But now I left with no choice. I left with no choice. I'll act. I'll act. I'll act. You can write whatever. Insult me the way you want. I know that nobody can control me. You know me. I've been in this country for more years, you know. Nobody can control me. I'm sorry. You know I'm a lion. Nobody controls me. Don't lie. You want to hide the truth and just say something because you love somebody. The same way you love somebody, the same way somebody also love me. Don't be a hypocrite, No, I'm not fighting. I'm doing a broadcasting, I'm not happy the way things are going in this country that I have to address. When he says something about the office of the presidency, the next 30 minutes, they will come out and clear. Even sometimes the president himself will come out and clear. We're not talking about tomorrow, we're talking about future. It's very important that we're in the 21st century, that whatever somebody is saying today, it will be there forever. So if you are in my shoes, you're not going to ride what you're riding over there. Because if you have something that makes you hate me, I'm sorry. That is your own opinion. You can hate me forever. And there's some places when you throw fire. I'm not throwing fire to any coward, but I want that fire to start. Because this response was supposed to happen, I think 2018 or 2019, that I kept quiet. And when this thing starts, it's going to be serious. I'm telling you. It is going to be a media battle that has never happened before. And the gospel will shake. I'm telling you. I'll seize everybody not to come on the platform, and I'll meet whoever that will come out. But I don't need to respond to the referrals. But when you send them, he who that have fed before, and he tried to be ungrateful to me. Because you're not my son, you came to me for help as a beggar. So I don't see you. For you, I see you as somebody who's hungry and somebody has to give you 1,000 cedis to, But I think enough of this. And I'm not advising. I'm just prompting you. Within 48 hours, when this nonsense continues, Obin Kasepu doing shit. We're not going to keep quiet again. It is hard for somebody to. So I think I have to. A man who is using a woman's platform, don't write. Switch on your camera this evening whilst I'm talking. Come on air. just I want you to come on air right now and let's all feel the fire. Come. Don't go and hide under the comment section and just write whatever you want to write. I don't give a fuck. You're the master. You every day you push them. I know you. I know the guy that I mentioned your name psychologically. You know yourself. Don't use that woman's picture. That woman, I respect her so much. So it will be hard. I'm not afraid of her to say anything against her. He who that has defended me before, that I'm not happy the way things are going. You knew that you have contracted people to disgrace me because I've come out and said I don't have any problem with anybody. So that student church want to disgrace me. Okay. Let us start. Makachro. Shanamanka Samanka. Because all the faces that you have put out there, we know. But you don't know the faces that we are coming out with. It's going to be something different. Maybe it will take us 5 years. 10 years. I went to a wise. Oh, Agradaa me there the mawa officer do papa chinti umuade no. O da shankura na chi. Do ya homa so che obia. Eno ana twamaduru na.
When in sama o kaye efa ho sisi bi mu eko bi mu asuko eyi ensem bi pie na utie ne nsem na di atem 100%. So kasa che nyansafo ne ade no e di atem 100%. So de yenko no ankasa na kasa bi o kaye interview e ono ane channel so na e ono ane TV so a ono akaye sa interview no no team yi ama Ghana for bete ase to de yenko sa interview no so.
Bless you, man.
Dear Menene Serene Pemacumi. And the free so I'm a town for Yamia. Dear Bamisonoba catch them here. Let me be.
Okay.
Oh dear, Munchesi Kameni Pabiano Muncansim in so much Minkashi. Mijani in Amurade. Bambasa Kalama Penina Unitiba. Nabi respect I'm the man is a good biscuit. Name correction one by one.
Gosh.
That day. Obafa from Rev Obofour and yame no makache and say Olubai you share in a minimum na respect them the bow and respect is a reciprocal.
That's right.
Me respect you by one pay ogumanima sim fie bebre ba me de need dem but one pay but that day obenu hu sasa akwa wonim kasa na me tell say me kasa on krama na yentie obi a I am the great lion. What do you just ask them say is that guy know how to talk or you don't know, and I'll speak and I'll give you fact. Honorable say nyama no na ate but me to me buma ade bia me ndia me ye wo dey connect all your mafias and I'll let you know say I am the king of the move.
Oh yes.
Do whatever that you want. Me hell na dey call osofo bia me dey respect am Ghana how ampe no atwa be fro na me yo daddy brothers who fi say be slow e be mmoa o manim asofo no e be mmoa mo ye hiafo ya sresrefo wo dey damn me and you see Asofo bu me frɛ na me the respect ma wo mpɛ mo te sɛ mmoa mo dabre mu ne mo asetra mu kura mo te sɛ mmoa awo me manim
the angry lion.
Oh dear, let them talk. I say the time will come. Mama me ho time na so nobody ana mpanyimfo na mo ho na mo hye kyerɛ mo de yenimobofo o meti de na to for mo twɛn o dear mapanimu bi ma frɛ me. Na that day na behunu sese me nim se me no nam ni nyina unim nyansa na na ebu da mebu. I'll just tell you something, you go back. See do be ade ama me bia na o free se me de me honte me pese me kasa honte ase let the person take it from me. Okay. I am still me. I am the great lion.
Yes.
Be at me come on to mo
challenger.
Nothing can stop me to talk.
Never.
Ona so ma me Kokubofo aje Kokubofo no free me se e ti Kokubofo me de free me na yam na ba. Me ne Kokubofo. Nothing stops me, nothing changes it. I am the great lion.
The great oracle.
Sure. Where am I from? Sure.
Say interview all ye and I mark Kyei-Duah so bar out almost young show. Almost bar almost best pa. They can some can see a chat and say, no, so I found from Frania Rev Obofour Paso. Because all kana waka almost. The uncle could take case in summer also car far home. One is Sheila Obofour, so kafa home. Yankoni Goshemla.
And then I was all kafa.
I was Obofour who
I didn't hear.
Oh yes.
I didn't hear.
I mean Kasem Chilo. Or Kasab.
I didn't hear Kasab.
Sakasa or Kasauti.
Mitie
was over Bishop Biscuit or Kasab go.
And
oh you who
how
I mean Kasem in Chilo Obofour no tea. We are saying Otu bo ana bo boda won sa return ba.
Okay.
Enkola na omu be di na tem ebo doctor ajekosu be mpa de mejo 1. Ebo na ba so no. E Obofour nkola. Ojam no oye adwuma mo Obofour.
Okay.
What you say?
Meet you.
No Obofour suman man ko di atem. Savior na ofu obi ni mo no oye adwuma mo Obofour. What you say? But Obofour ade be to papa o so be mpa ni so onfre nkura no nkasa nche no omunya ne ye. What you say? But koku Obofour ye no anuma kokko nene okwa tipi ko hu nsu no oba na fo bi se ho na hu no nsu no. Ewi ase no ntazi kokko obi en beti ja tifita. Onye Obofour nye na dwese onim kasa no wo power oni foku. Ma ne nye na dwen agosi ti o. Se onim me den onim ne na no tia doctor azogozu bemba ense fo betina so na
eno nso de so far as eneyi no blogger say babo ntia omo egu nanim ase
ni suban ni suban oya bomb
me pacho egi ni suban ti
oya ni parfum
oya de bi aha
Obofour oya ni parfum
kenya se de bi
tie mama ka tie agosi tie me so Obofour oya ni parfum
me pacho eno ne de eno de twesai
men twesai
kenya adi to twesai
men twesai so oya bomb
so ka so e bomba
oya ni parfum ne me saka
oya ni parfum de bi ene men kasa asem no
wasam na wakasa too much
de bi wakasa too much
ora so to me kwa
omo kasa di na tam no omo
aya ne no mudi na tam
e dey
ojam ele ni ojam di na tam ele se bi di na tam
ene obi anim
ene ono ani no
ono ani mo se
etima ma na di enyina nse obi na asmo obi eye se ni ono smo obi kodu obi atam no ntin na di se obi be di na tam obi na asmo obi
yes me
who meet doctor ajegozu be personal da papa no omi obi aho I swear ma meeting omi obi aho papa no kono wa mo pass obi kodu obi atam da eye nkola na dwini dio Obofour dia yo mo na mo di na tam mo di Obofour oye bomb oye fucking guy
and
oye demon oye evil oye baibun sam
enye no kresa
oye baibun sam wa forward so wa kira on trenching wa free system no unpacking no ni dia delete system
so for super pass obi ka oye bomb and some are okay so we should can so for super bomb we demon we devil we be
papa onya bomb onya demon ni unyuma ne be kire de wo ye Obofour ni nyuma kire de wo ye ya obi e kase tia no aden unko ide nipa obi onu be na tibia asori tia wo ye die nipa
ana me ka to say
won so super du obi de che kase tia nda won se da bi o chance Ghana o se so bi de super tia be kase tia nda
me wu say so for super ababonti ababakasa ide tia obi
ya me se won se so for super akora bi di nachi aba be kasa tia na
se o ma be kasa tia onu ankasa ne me nya engu
etu okuta good heart but Obofour okuta bad heart
e no bopa
obua omopa
e no bopa
omopa adwemboni na Obofour ti
enye se omopa tie me ne dem no kasa e bi tama say e bia omopa ana onu no me be didi eye
omopa Obofour suban ene pa na obonkola na atani against wo no uti duam mo koku na abobo no amu
tio asema wo ka no okay and one kasa
wa si duam mo koku na abobo no amu
yes Sheila Sheila woni bi aka entino me ba hey tie woni bi aka wo bi o to chi
I give you the platform talk
me ba hey now we be coming about my kwase kasa wo bi ka me nya ba kwai me ne o kasa yi ene ana pai me ne o kasa na na pai tie ene na pai die ba yi hwe me ba hey ene na pai se ba wo no ade ya hey yes o tie woni cheka
na man nigga say
me na de
man nigga say asa we jollo we kasa
ene na pai en se ba wo no videos hey na woni
sila
just the yeah that's what
platform
me ba unya me na de me ma kwa ba kasa mama kwa
na man kwa
mama kwa mama kwa enu so mama kwa sila o chawa jamina mi ɛna sɛ ba kwai mama kwai mama kwai
wo be ifu o ya town
tie o pede
ɛna yɛ bɛ ko
o ba pode sabi pa mo be na wo so kan
kasa go ahead
mama kwai furo mama kwai okay you the family people family o chawa je na ko me se o kwai na ko mfini ko o le re ko family ja no cheche no
se la ko
me ne wo kasa yi e dey video to so na wo dey hwe sorry na le sorry o sorry
ya trase
ye bai o da bi o da bu be
a na kusu man nga se na de force I force
me ma ko the bible me so me tuta me so ba me tuta wo ko asam ko na kan
ko se la
ni na de ye bai o so kwani Obofour check me ba mo kasa tie me ba mo kasa tie asem o ka no takra asem na Obofour e kai no takasem no o de we wa so taki ni nipa bia na me pere me se me pere
se la takasem no yonko
takasem no asem na kam
asem no so kasa
asem na kam ko enye wo so kasa yi ana me ka che enye wo kasa
fro
o de he
Obofour amika asam cheba abako to Obofour e baba computer ba bia o bia fam wale chem na me oba me mo saa no musisi me
wa mo saa no o ti no obi ro kwaji babo en kasa asam no sasam no kan rekata sasam no kan dabi chisai sasam kan
ka che no onye bra
chisai sawen no dabi ni choso
onye bra
mani chisai sasam no chisai se wo saa no e ji sawen no
okay continue go sila ko fro
Obofour ni se asuna ma panyini na wo hwa nketoa no ama yapo me pese na me yakunkura sesem kakra ese me dan kurasi ni kakra mfa ncha me oba hu asem kasaba Obofour di sebo asem me ka on social media no so esa obi di ntibese je Obofour
onyansa papa
ana wo tan free ko de ho ahu ko ne so na me yehu se wo tan na me wo tan papa na cho na me bo kokko se me Obofour me tiasi ada obebie wo na obebo apalidi no se be di ka acho me wo mama ko je me mma wo bie wa na ka so bi ye krama a whole somebody like you
wa munidi e to no fi o somebody
wo se wo Obofour he Obofour ne pa wo bonti wo bia be kasa pe o se abo pa
ana me say wa munidi
Obofour no ofra ngege of your friend say
kisi be plan
no what you fro jalo mo kuma me udi pa o tega wo tibi ka so mo musika mo reject se me ko ma onya sika Obofour de wo ye le se ye ni mo o su be pa oni adaje na wakoko yi ni sika mo bi se je na ko kuma me onu nya me timi ko ne ntokwa ma no nya me ko o kuma no na ma ye so ya soso it is what so afofra wo abusuafie o be timi ya ko straight he ko Kennedy shishaw
una na wu ko yi aba
Kennedy shishaw ene ne ko fe so na nya wusu be pa ye mu bia ni wo bi mpo ni mo ye ayi wo do ene nya me fra no nyakopo ka ase o ka kire mo ye se o mu ye de wo se we mu mpo ja dede no emu mpo be je dede asensa se ye mpo ye ja se ye koama na emu ewie mu mwa
okay na wudi si
eti sa o tem didie no me ma ne nkosa papa no so na kana ma ne ye ka wo na wo ye kana ma mu kraman
papa na sema all kanu Rev Obofour asemo kanu ombo sofo eye osu bempani ombo sofo osu bempani ombo sofo osu bempani eni no meba wa mo nidi wo mo nidi eye nsemo all kanu mebo ensemo ana me kase en
agosi ombo nidi meba tie all kasam no tie o sese me fro na me kase papa tie Obofour ko papa osu dem pa sole abra odi ni birthday akoka se adifo mu nyina asante hini ene doctor is ko osu dem pa enti o ka se me frɛ wa that means o frɛ osu dem pa
me pacho
so far ye nyankola
o me banye se nyankola so far as one money di me mpese ye be twa adwa ko se woni no
enyo ne na
enyo ne no akwasi anam say enyo ne no Obofour so ne think that spoko no so Ghana obetu wa enyo ne no tie o adenti ye betima ye beti nothing agina o atutu ne pass asa chese no
meba adenti you know bia only tia efo Obofour bia Obofour so bepa means so so bepa Obofour maybe say
why you know if I come on the party
maybe Asam Aba
I was see me ye wo me ba selati ye wo computer ma dwuma mu e na computer ma no obi kuna oni nipa no nkoyo ne nipa na afiri wo ye wofiri ni nchen akọ papa ye wo janshi ye sofu yo janshi ye na sofu no ma 2000 no wo ba sofu ni bia wa bopa
so bompa enu
asamka
ayo bompa
omopa
ayo ade a wayo na so woni ayo Obofour so ede nsem ba ko so esa be twato esa de kai enye se
okay we ni ensem a ekoso se wutie ensem ni mu yabo se entokwa bi koso o studio ho na akasa bi ni beef bi ni ade be we kire se mpese me bo obi din no be kasa de bia me bo ni din a ono ne de nam se hwe na ma bo ni din eye bigger quiz metuma bo din 100% but program we fa ho me se program bi afa ho na do ba be ka chem me twen why ti de course wo ho no wo hwe de wo ye wo dam de bi ne ensem bi a wo keka kana abusuanyam na mejeje wa jeje nefa ne hu ba bia wo gina it is ene ya na wo hwe Jude TV a me say subscribe nefa adoma no to Oman some the next video bi atuma wo saka. My name is Jude Obofour. Peace.
Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe and share for more news updates.